Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable crossplay from your main account to iOS for Warframe. And to do this, first we'll need to download and install Warframe on our iPhone. I already done it, so let me actually mute the game. Okay, nice. Then when you enter the game, click on Apple ID, log in with your Apple ID, and then we'll be able to move on to linking our account so you can play with your main account. Now open the browser, log into your main account on that browser in Warframe website, and then we can click on let's click on our account right here. You can click on this arrow and then link your account. Inside, scroll down and select Apple, connect account. We need to continue. It will check for Face ID or any security options you have set, and in this case, let's just make it fail, because I think there's different Face ID set on this iPhone, so let's just wait. Yep, now we can continue with the passcode. Now we need to select our primary account, and make sure that you select the primary account right here that you're going to use, and I'm going with this one. Then select link account and make sure that double, triple, 5 times check that you have your primary account right here. And link accounts. Primary account is my, and the progress will be lost on this one, which we already created previously, as I mentioned in the beginning. And yes, I'm sure. And we successfully linked our accounts. Now we can go back to our game, log in with Apple ID. Yep, the game just crashed. You can actually even restart it if you want. Okay, so here's my account fully linked on iOS, and I can play from my crossplay. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.